Are your morning feeling a bit boring lately? Spice things up with a change from your usual tea routine to something more exciting, like a cup of clove tea. Imagine yourself in a cozy winter scene with every sip, thanks to the warm and aromatic flavor of cloves. And guess what? This magical drink is not just delicious, it's also packed with tons of benefits. From helping with hangovers to keeping your skin looking young, clove tea does wonders. But before anything else, don't forget to watch our video to learn all about the amazing benefits of clove tea. Then treat yourself to a cup using the recipe we have got in the video description. Don't miss out on this chance to enjoy something delightful on a journey full of tasty surprises. Fever. Clove tea is a nutrient-rich beverage because it contains high levels of magnesium and abundant amount of vitamin E and vitamin K. Clove tea prevents bacterial infection because it has anti-inflammatory properties. Additionally, because it is antipyretic in nature, it's lower body temperature while also enhancing immunity. Regulate diabetes. Are you searching for a secret weapon to keep diabetes in check? Look no further than this spicy and flavorful beverage. A study suggests that clove tea extract had a significant impact on reducing blood sugar levels. Furthermore, the study revealed that clove extract improved insulin sensitivity and reduced oxidative stress in diabetics. Clove contains compounds that slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes. Enhance digestive health. Unlock the power of improved digestion with the remarkable properties of clove tea. The primary component of cloves, eugenol, stimulate the production of digestive enzyme, aiding in the breakdown of food and alleviating symptoms of indigestion. The warm and comforting flavor of clove tea also works wonders by relaxing the muscles in your gastrointestinal tract, further facilitating the digestion process. But that's not all. Clove tea offers relief from various stomach-related issues including nausea and bloating. Consider clove tea as a comforting embrace for your gut, ensuring proper and effective digestion while providing relief from common digestive discomforts. Promote restful sleep. Explore the sleep-enhancing qualities of clove and their active compound angenol, which have been extensively studied for their potential benefits on sleep. A study discovered that angenol process anxiety levels and issue commonly associated with insomnia. Enhance skin health. Unlock the numerous benefits of clove tea for your skin. Courtesy of its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, this antioxidant present in clove tea serve as guardians, shading your skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to wrinkles and other signs of aging. Meanwhile, the anti-inflammatory properties of clove tea work to reduce redness and puffiness, leaving your skin looking and feeling refreshed and revitalized. Next time you feel your skin needs a rejuvenating boost, indulge in a cup of clove tea and let its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties work their magic. Support oral hygiene. Elevate your oral health with the remarkable benefits of clove tea, renowned from combating bad breath and certain oral infections. This active compound found in clove, eugenol, acts as a natural antiseptic, anti-inflammatory and anesthetic, providing relief from toothpaste pain while ensuring a fresh and clean mouth. Moreover, incorporating clove tea into your routine adds a delightful twist to your tea experience. It is effortless to prepare and can be enjoyed either warm or chilled. Support weight loss. Discover the ideal ally for your weight loss journey. Clove tea, which aids in boosting your metabolism and reducing your appetite. This compound found in cloves possesses thermogenic properties, meaning they can increase your body's metabolic rate, leading to more efficient calories burning. Moreover, clove tea helps decrease your appetite by providing a sense of fullness and satisfaction, effectively curbing cravings for unhealthy snacks and foods. However, it is essential to note that if you are aiming for weight loss, adding sugar to your clove tea would not be advisable. Are you ready to embrace this incredibly healthy and delicious tea? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe Fruits and Veggies.